operates on the basis of wisdom. So fresh hope is conditioned on the discovery of wisdom. There is a wisdom you possess. Hope becomes a natural operation, a natural mindset, a natural inclination. Because you know, by what you know, that whether the devil or circumstances like it or not, tomorrow will be better than today. So you are optimistic, you are hopeful, you are excited about life, knowing that your present condition is not enough to deter what will come, because of hope predicated on wisdom. That is why I'm not surprised that it's a wings of wisdom activating fresh hope.